Samsung's upcoming triple-fold smartphone called G Fold is poised to be a groundbreaking release that could redefine its reputation in the foldable market. Despite being the pioneer in foldable smartphones and maintaining a stronghold on sales, Samsung has often been criticized for its conservative approach in recent years. According to Ross Young, Samsung Display has been showcasing the G-Type multifold for over 3 years, making it an expected choice due to its UTG cover window benefits. He also notes that panel shipments won't begin until the last quarter of 2025. The primary factors sustaining Samsung's dominance are the lack of global availability of competing foldable devices and the advanced software features exclusive to its flagship models. While Samsung has previously showcased prototypes of more ambitious foldable designs, it has yet to launch a tri-fold device before its rival, Huawei, introduced the Mate X3. Unlike Huawei, which employs an S-shaped folding mechanism for its Mate X3, Samsung's tri-fold device will feature a G-shaped folding design. This design choice provides key advantages as both folds protect the main display, while also incorporating a secondary cover screen for a more conventional smartphone experience. In contrast, Huawei's S-Fold mechanism exposes a single large display to potential damage from accidental drops. Recent leaks by Lanzik on the blog Naver have revealed that Samsung's Tri-Fold will officially be named the G Fold, aligning with its unique design and branding strategy that follows the naming convention of the popular Z Fold series. The device is expected to stand 6.54 inches tall, with a primary display measuring 9.96 inches, making it comparable in size to the Huawei Mate X3, while being approximately 30% larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. One of Huawei's strengths has been keeping its tri-fold device exceptionally thin, a feature Samsung aims to replicate. However, leaks suggest the G Fold may be slightly thicker than Huawei's counterpart. While this might impact portability, the new display technology Samsung plans to use could enhance durability and performance, marking a significant leap forward in foldable innovation. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at approximately $1,900 for the 256GB variant, while Huawei's Mate X3 is priced at around $2,800. Based on the rumors, the G Fold is expected to be positioned above $2,000. This premium pricing raises questions about its commercial viability, as an excessively high cost could limit widespread adoption. To mitigate risks, Samsung may opt for a limited release strategy, similar to the special edition Z Fold launched last year. Initial rumors pointed to a 2026 release, but leaks have now confirmed that the G Fold is set to launch in the third quarter of 2025, likely alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7.